Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Aprilia RSV4 Factory, a superbike that combines cutting-edge technology with the soul of racing. Powered by a 1099cc V4 engine, it delivers 217 horsepower and offers a thrilling riding experience, with a top speed of over 300 km per hour. The RSV4 Factory is built for precision, featuring a lightweight aluminum frame and advanced aerodynamics. It's equipped with a full range of electronics, including a 6-axis IMU, traction control, launch control, and a quick shifter, all customizable to suit your riding style. The bike's suspension is handled by top-tier Öhlins electronically adjustable forks and rear shock, providing excellent handling and stability. For braking, the RSV4 Factory features Brembo-style calipers, giving you incredible stopping power. The 5-inch TFT display provides real-time ride data, and the bike's aggressive styling is designed to turn heads wherever you go. Priced around $24,000, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory is perfect for riders who want a combination of power, precision, and advanced technology in a stunning package. What do you think about this Italian masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Moto Explorer, and hit the bell icon for more exciting motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.